Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you DocuSign how to create a template. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Creating a template in DocuSign is super handy if you reuse the same document like contracts, NDAs, onboarding forms, etc. Now in order to create a template in DocuSign, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up your DocuSign app. Now once you're inside here, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once logged into your account, what you need to do is simply tap on the three horizontal bar on the top left corner of the screen, and then on tapping it you'll be seeing the option that says templates right here. Simply tap on that. Now here inside you'll find an option that says new button. Then on tapping it you'll be seeing an option that says create template. Simply tap on that and then fill in the template details like name, something you'll recognize, and description, which is optional and is helpful if you have lots of templates. Then once done, simply click on upload to add the document you want to use as the base for the template, and then under add recipients, set up roles like client, manager, and HR. These are placeholders, not actually emails. Then assign each role a signing order if needed. Then click on next to go to the tagging screen, and then click on save and close when you're done. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.